everyone, welcome back to my presentation, and it's me Bijaya back with another interesting presentation. So today in this presentation I'm going to tell you a very common topic. We all know this topic. Can you guess what today's topic is? Yeah, today in this presentation I'm going to tell you a very common topic called how to pronounce the names of the 7 days of the week. Now you can tell me, Bijaya, why are you talking? Yeah, today in this presentation, I'm going to tell you a very common topic called how to pronounce the names of the 7 days of the week. Now you can tell me why are you talking? It's a very common topic. We all know this topic. It's a very simple topic. But today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to pronounce this topic very smartly and as a native speaker. So, no more talking, just let's get started. So, first, Saturday. We all pronounce Saturday. So, we can pronounce this very smartly called Saturday. Is American accent. You can pronounce this as like Saturday. Okay, then Sunday, Monday. We all pronounce Saturday, Sunday, Monday. But here day is pronounced this way. They're called day. D-A-day. Its sound is D-A-day. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Its sound is Z. Tuesday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We all pronounce Wednesday. But it pronounces this. We called Wednesday. Then Thursday. And then we all favorite this day called Friday. We all pronounce Friday. But it pronounced varies. If you want to pronounce this day very smartly, you can pronounce it this. It's called Friday. Okay, now repeat all the 7 days called. First, Saturday. Or Saturday. Sunday. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. You have to be careful about when you pronounce day. It's pronounced all time. It's pronounced day. We all pronounce words Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But here last the word is day. We all pronounce day. It will pronounce day. D-A-day. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Here all you can notice that day. So is that clear? I think we all know this topic, but today this video I'll try that if I can pronounce this as like as a native speaker or a very smart, it will be good for every person because it's English is an international language. So how you pronounce or you to learn this language, we have to pronounce is the language as like as a native speaker, as like as a foreign speaker, as like as a native speaker. So you guys, this is all about my today's presentation. I hope you all enjoy my presentation and you all will like my presentation. And if you like this presentation, don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment, share, and all the guys. Thanks for listening and to watching me. I'll come up with another interesting presentation. Till then, ta-ra!